I will not keep you waiting. It is my pleasure to introduce to you the Voice Kids runner-up, the total performer, and now certified gold recording artist. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all give it up for Mr. Darren Espanto. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, pwede mo ba mas malakas sa palakpak for Darren Espanto? Hi, Darren.
Good afternoon po.
Good afternoon, Darren. Ako, malapit na ang iyong major concert, ang iyong birthday concert. Anong nararamdaman mo right now?
Siyempre po may kaba po, pero I'm very excited po to perform the setlist that we have prepared.
Well, I heard marami ka raw surprises for all the fans. So, what can we expect sa concert mo?
Marami pong mga dance prods here na makikita niyo po from me. And there's a lot of things that I'll be doing for the first time. So, abangan niyo po.
That's something to look forward to. And by the way, congratulations dahil gold na yung album mo.
Yes, thank you po.
So, how does it feel na eto na, naging gold na yung album mo?
Siyempre po super blessed dahil nakita ko po yung suporta po ng mga fans ko po, yung mga Daranatics. And never in my wildest dreams did I think that one day I could have my very first album and makaka-receive po siya ng mga awards. Yun po.
Okay. So, Darren, pwede ka muna maupo dyan. So, one more thing na bihirang-bihira kasi sa Philippine artists, yung makaka-receive ng million views sa YouTube via Vivo. How does it feel na ikaw, yung 2 videos mo, it's more than 1 million na yung mga views?
Yeah, it's really cool. Kasi po nakita ko po yung Vivo po and I saw nakaabot na po siya ng ganun karaming views and I didn't really expect it po. So it's another blessing po, I'd say.
And speaking of videos, I know you'll be coming out with a new video soon. Yung Stuck. So can you tell us something about your new video?
Pumapasok ka rin sa view nito.
Ito pong video na to, it's kind of more just chill, laid back.
Thank you.
And parang it tells a story as well. So,
And for sure, aabot na naman ng million views yan. So that's something, once again, we have to look forward to. So right now, to our friends from the media, do you have any questions for Darren? Please feel free. Raise your hand. Sino may mga questions sa inyo? Right now, lalong-lalo na malapit na yung concert mo. Grabe. So, do you have any questions, guys? Our friends from the media, please feel free to ask Darren your questions.
If you want to ask a question, I'm here.
Ayun.
I'm here. I'm holding the microphone.
Yeah, we have the mic over there. So, any questions for Darren?
Yeah, would appreciate questions about the concert.
Yes, about the
because
concert.
we have a very, very good concert, right?
Yes.
First
So,
question from MJ.